Hello friends, today I am showing a new snacks recipe, bread snacks recipe. This recipe is totally new recipe and very tasty and delicious. And I will teach you step by step. So now let's start. Those who are new visitor, so please give subscribe, like, share and comment. So now let's start. Here add 2 bread and then add half cup lukewarm water and smashed well properly. Smashed has done, and now let's go next step. Here add first 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Then after add 1 number sliced onion. Then after add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Then add chopped green chili. Then after add 1 number egg. After add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Then after add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Then after add 1 tablespoon cumin powder and add salt to taste. And now mix well properly. All mixed as done properly, and this is the density totally. Not thick, not thin. This is the proper way. So now let's go next step. And this is the next step, and here add 1 tablespoon refined oil. And oil now is make hot, and now this batter make a round shape and pour into the hot oil. Fry has done. Snacks recipe is done and totally very crispy, and I will break one show you, and this is the best soft recipe, and please try at your home. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.